Trey, I have some documents here I wanted to show you that are really, really important. They were given to me by your great-grandmother, Rosella Gertie Boson. And these are the documents from the original Dawes rolls whenever your great-great and great-great-great grandparents enrolled with Cherokee Nation back in the early 1900s. And they're dated 1902, 1905, and 1907. Very, very old, fragile documents. This one here this is your great-grandmother's mother. So it'd be your great-great-grandmother, Kate Gertie. This is her husband, Ned Gertie. And then this is your great-great-great-grandparents, Sally Thornton and Thomas Thornton. And basically they were given land in lieu to designating themselves members of the Cherokee Nation. And they're very fragile. See, this is Kate Gertie. She was given 60 acres here. And there's the seal, and this is back in 1907. And Sally Thornton, I was told that this is a very rare document. It's your great-great-great-grandmother, and it was signed that this was not good to do, and it's written in Cherokee here. And you can see the seal, and it was signed. It was by the Department of Interior, approved May 16th, 1907. But the Cherokee people were saying, this was our land before, and it's not good to do this, but they went ahead and did this. And I was told by the Cherokee Nation historian that this is a very rare document, that he's seen or just heard of very few of them in existence. So these are, we're gonna have these be passing down to you. Trey, it's in these documents, the reason I'm showing them to you and letting you know that these are gonna be passed down to you. It's critical that you know where you came from, know who your people are, and know the struggles that they went through, and the things they did to help you get to where you are now. It means a lot. So learn as much as you can about their heritage.